Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
I need help, please. Kanina ka pa dyan tumitingin sa album.
Oh, yes Claire, sorry I got lost reminiscing about the past Christmas we had kasi last Christmas pala, honey, we visited ate in the US. And do you still remember, while you guys are having fun, you're having a blast playing in the snow, making snow angels, making snowman, ako naman, I was just inside the van kasi I had the flu back then, di ba?
Yes.
And tingnan mo to, Claire, 2018, we had a big family reunion sa rest house ng cousin mo. Alam mo, Claire, I doubt if we can do this again, no? Nakakalungkot.
Some say that this Christmas would be a meaningful one for all of us. This is history in the making. We get to craft a family narrative of how we can celebrate Christmas in the absence of social gatherings, Christmas parties, festivities. Maybe this year we would receive lesser gifts and we would see lesser fanciful Christmas lights.
So, how can we own this Christmas? Ano nga ba yung maaari nating gawin just so our family can still embrace the season with an expectant heart?
Since this year promises to be one of the more unusual celebrations, tayo pong mga magulang, we need to be intentional and creative in coming up with new ways so our children won't feel deprived of not being able to attend Christmas parties in school,
That's true.
family reunion, go out shopping, or even travel. It is important that during this crucial time, we build new family holiday traditions that would keep everyone's spirit alive despite the pandemic, di ba?
Sige Claire, magandang pag-usapan natin yan ngayon. Alam mo, ngayong mga panahon ng pandemya, how can we still bring families together to foster a sense of stability and security?
Okay, ako honey, ang gusto kong bagong tradisyon na gagawin natin ngayong Pasko is the Christmas pajama party with the kids, di ba? Magandang bonding moment yan. So, subukan nyo rin po ito. You can set up a tent inside your bedroom, wear Christmas pajamas, dapat lahat kayo. Or if you're the more adventurous type, set up a tent in your garden or in your backyard. Magkaroon ng mga bonfire, roast marshmallows, hot dogs, have some fun Christmas games with the kids, read Christmas stories or the Christmas story from the Bible. And at the end of the night, gather everyone around and ask your children, anak, what are you grateful for this year? What are the blessings that you received despite the pandemic? This is one way for us to teach our children to be thankful and to learn to see the beauty from the ashes.
That is so exciting, Claire. I'm looking forward to that. Number 2, have a holiday family bucket list. Weeks before Christmas, Claire, sit everyone down and let each one write a thing they'd like to do as a family. Example, we can drive along the village and watch those beautiful decorations, those beautiful lights. Or if you're into baking, you can, invite your kids to bake some gingerbreads, make some cookies, whatever they want. Pick one each week until the holiday bucket list is checked off.
Okay. Number 3, stockings on Christmas morning. Karamihan sa mga kabataang Kristiyano lumaki na hindi na naniniwala kay Santa Claus, di ba? If you want your kids not to miss out on the fun and excitement of waking up early come Christmas morning, stockings would do the trick. You can give your kids something to wear, something to read, something they need, and something they want.
That's true. Number 4, Christmas movie night. And this is my favorite, Claire, di ba? So, weeks before Christmas o bago mag-araw ng Pasko, ang dami-daming Hallmark movies that you can watch, that you can choose, di ba? So while doing that, munch on some popcorns, you sip your hot cocoa, yung mga feel-good movies will strap everyone down.
Okay, and number 5, honey, this new tradition, I find it the most meaningful one, okay? Christmas shoebox. Give your children decorated shoebox. Nag-iisa sila. And tell them to pray and ask God what is it that they have that they are willing to share to the less fortunate kids this year.
Ilalagay sa loob ng box.
Yes, and ipamimigay nila. With this, you are teaching your kids that Christmas is not all about getting.
That is so true, Claire. You see, this pandemic can never stop us from celebrating Christmas. Let us enjoy the holidays together and build some solid memories.
Memories happen regardless of what we do. What we want to achieve as parents is that we create and deposit positive memories that will be stored in the memory banks of our children. Because later on in life, these are the things that would stand out in their minds when they look back someday and share these new traditions to the next generation.
Lagi po nating tandaan ng mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay! Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay!